17 anti-aging foods to boost glowing skin. If your eyes are the window to your soul, then your skin is the window to your health. Your skin reflects what you eat, and that's why topical creams and lotions can only do so much for its appearance. Since aging starts from the inside out, it's only logical to start caring for your skin from the inside out as well. The good news is that you can easily do this by eating right. Before we tell you about the most beneficial foods for your skin, remember to subscribe to our channel. On the bright side of life, you'll find a lot of amazing videos, so don't forget to switch on those notifications. 17. Fatty fish. Fish that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, tuna, are essential for healthy glowing skin. Omega-3 fatty acids keep the skin supple and moisturized and reduce inflammation. These fish are also a great source of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties, and zinc. Zinc is a wound-healing mineral that helps get rid of acne and irritations. 16. Nuts. Just like fish, nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin E. On top of that, they contain other minerals and vitamins that keep your skin young and glowing. By eating nuts regularly, you'll supply your body with several B vitamins, including folate, which prevents dermatitis, selenium, which is another good antioxidant for the skin, and vitamin C, which has anti-aging properties. Walnuts are especially beneficial if you want your skin to stay young for as long as possible, as they delay skin aging. Walnut oil is also a great moisturizer. In addition, these nuts can help you get rid of dark circles under your eyes. As for other nuts, almonds and cashews are almost as useful as walnuts. 15. Avocado. Avocado is another food filled with the healthy fats that improve your skin's elasticity and moisture barrier. One more benefit is that avocados are rich in carotenoids, which protect the skin from sun damage. A study was conducted that involved 82 airline pilots and other people who often traveled by plane. It's a known fact that such people are exposed to harmful ionizing radiation. But the subjects of the experiment who ate avocados suffered much less DNA damage. What makes avocados stand out, however, is that they contain D-menoheptulose, a unique phytochemical that is believed to stimulate collagen production. 14. Green tea. A favorite drink of many people, green tea is not only tasty, but also highly beneficial for your skin's health. It's full of polyphenols and catechins, and these are antioxidants that reduce skin redness by fighting inflammation. They also effectively protect your skin from sun damage. At the same time, even if you drink several cups of green tea every day in the summer, don't forget to use sunscreen every time you go outside. This is crucial for your health. 13. Yogurt and kefir. Yogurt and kefir are packed full of the living probiotics that help your skin look young by reducing redness, irritation, and acne. The friendly bacteria fight inflammation in the gut, which is where a lot of skin problems take root. You can also apply yogurt to your face as a facial mask. This is a great way to rejuvenate your skin. The lactic acid in yogurt has anti-aging and exfoliating properties to reduce fine lines and give your face a healthy glow. 12. Honey. Honey is a natural antioxidant and moisturizer with antibacterial properties. It's no wonder that it's so beneficial for the skin. Honey is typically used in DIY face masks and applied topically to reduce inflammation, treat acne, and moisturize dry skin. Such types of honey as manuka and kanuka are especially effective for these purposes. Eating honey is also a good idea, especially if you use it to replace other sweets. 11. Blueberries. Most berries are great for your skin and your health in general, but blueberries are especially good. Often called a superfood, they are a rich source of antioxidants and therefore help your skin fight damage from free radicals. You can't avoid these damaging molecules as they come from pollution, cigarette smoke, light, and so on. They penetrate deep into your skin, and only certain antioxidants, like the ones found in blueberries, can protect you and repair your skin from the inside. As for the anthocyanins that blueberries contain, they stabilize collagen. As a result, your skin remains youthful and healthy for longer. Anthocyanins are antioxidants found in all brightly colored vegetables and fruit, especially those which are purple or deep red. Number 10. Oranges. There are two main reasons why oranges are good for your skin. They're packed with vitamin C, and they're loaded with water. Water hydrates the skin from the inside and prevents breakouts. And vitamin C, while also being an antioxidant, plays a significant role in collagen production. As for collagen, it keeps your skin supple and firm, preventing sagginess and wrinkles. Number 9. Pomegranates. Just like oranges, this fruit is rich in skin-friendly vitamin C. On top of that, pomegranates contain ellagic acid and punicalagin. Punicalagin is believed to increase your body's capacity to preserve collagen, and ellagic acid fights damage from free radicals and slows the breakdown of collagen. Combine that with the collagen-boosting powers of vitamin C, and you'll get a real miracle worker for your skin. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, besides being one more great source of vitamin C, contain major carotenoids such as lycopene, lutein, alpha-carotene, and beta-carotene. Antioxidant carotenoids protect your skin from sun damage and prevent wrinkles. They're also naturally anti-inflammatory. To reap the full benefits of tomatoes, it's best to cook them using a healthy fat, such as olive oil, rather than eat them raw. Eating them cooked helps your body to absorb more lycopene. In addition, you can apply tomatoes directly to your skin. You'll find different recipes all over the internet. Tomatoes will treat open pores, help you to get glowing skin, and prevent signs of aging. On top of all that, they can also work as an effective natural sunscreen and protect your skin from dangerous UV rays. Number 7. Spinach and kale. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are full of vitamins that the skin loves, including vitamins A, C, and E. Vitamin A controls sebum production, vitamin C boosts collagen, and vitamin E protects from oxidative damage. Together, they help your skin remain moisturized, plump, and free of wrinkles and spots. Both spinach and kale are also anti-inflammatory. They fight flare-ups in your gut and therefore your skin. Number 6. Bell peppers. Out of all the fruits and vegetables, red and yellow bell peppers contain the highest amount of vitamin C. They're also rich in the skin-healthy vitamins B6 and B9, folate, and carotenoids. Vitamin B6 is known to prevent and fight such skin conditions as dermatitis, eczema, and hormonal acne. Folate improves the firmness of your skin. Folic acid also helps to remove toxins from your body. This can significantly reduce acne. You can get nutrients from bell peppers of all colors, but the red and yellow ones contain the highest amounts. Number 5. Fermented foods. Yogurt and kefir aren't the only fermented foods that are good for your skin and your health. The list of the healthiest fermented foods includes sauerkraut, pickles, miso, kimchi, raw cheese, and soybean products like tempeh and natto. All fermented foods contain probiotics. These are friendly bacteria that balance out the bad bacteria in your gut and calm down the inflammation that would otherwise show up on your skin. They also prevent wrinkles and give you a glowing complexion by optimizing the absorption of nutrients from everything you eat. Another benefit of probiotics is that they contain anti-aging lactic acid. Number 4. Turmeric. This spice has gained the reputation of a superfood, and for good reason. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, and that's why it helps to heal acne and calm down redness. It also prevents oxidative damage to the skin, repairs existing sun damage, and even prevents skin cancer. People use turmeric as an ingredient in facial masks to help get rid of acne scars and other types of scars. This spice can also help with different dermatological problems, but you need to be extremely careful not to use too much of this substance, or it will do more harm than good. Number 3. Raw cacao. The reason why raw cacao is so beneficial is the resveratrol it contains. Resveratrol is a really powerful antioxidant. Like all other antioxidants, it protects and repairs sun-damaged skin and prevents signs of premature aging. Cacao is also one of the biggest sources of magnesium in food. Magnesium is a calming mineral, helping to reduce skin irritations. Cocoa, which is roasted cacao, and dark chocolate, which is made with cocoa, also have some resveratrol, but not nearly as much. To get the most out of raw cacao, it's best to consume it by adding it to smoothies or yogurt. Number 2. Oats. Oats are full of manganese. This mineral isn't commonly associated with skin health, However, manganese helps your body absorb essential skin vitamins and minerals, such as choline, biotin, and vitamin C. Together, they help to preserve your skin's elasticity and fight free radical damage. Oats also contain the skin-healing zinc and antioxidant selenium. Number 1. Olive oil. One of the most beneficial oils for your overall health, olive oil is also good for your skin. It contains omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols. As mentioned before, omega-3 keeps your skin supple and moisturized, and polyphenols protect it from oxidative damage and fight inflammation. Have you found this video useful? Then hit the like button right away. Tell us in the comments about your favorite products from the ones we've mentioned in the video. Let's see what people like most of all.